This is a partnership between UNESCO Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Education for Peace and Sustainable Development and the Asia Pacific Center for Education and International Understanding, APCEIU, based in South Korea. This is the first time we are bringing our skills, our expertise, our synergies together to maximize the impact of our youth programs. It is exciting to see young people from these countries think about the impact of global issues in their local communities and to bring their experiences and their ideas to solutions that would tackle these problems.
So often I'm amazed by the inspiration and the innovation that young people are bringing to climate action, to food security, to innovation, technology, you name it. And I really do see the difference, whereas the older people in the room tend to focus on the problems, and the younger people tend to focus on the solutions.
So many diverse backgrounds and perspectives in the room. Every activity is becoming a chance to learn from one another.
In this workshop, I learned that leadership is not a fancy word that happens behind the tables. It happens in local level, through music, through discussions, through people just like us.
I'm really impressed with this section, especially they use the music to speak about the social topic, and especially they connect the people all around the world.
With the help of SEL, we can manage our negative feelings and fear, and we can expand our identity as global citizens.
It was very evident that in order to become global citizens, to empower GCED throughout our communities, the approach of using social emotional learning has a very big impact.
What I have learned so far is that transformative leadership is aware of how we feel, but also how others feel, and we can engage them in an empathetic, transparent dialogue so we can get our goals ahead.
I'm planning on using everything that we learn, especially social emotional learning, to do very good field work and to utilize it together with anthropological social methods and research methods.
In this polarized world, many youth are suffering from the mental health crisis. So we hope that the youth will be gaining the GCED and SEL competencies so they can promote positive impacts for other youth in their own communities.
The greatest highlight for me of meeting such a varied group, such an inclusive group, was that so many problems and so many issues that they are dealing might sound very different, but are also similar at the core of it.
For the past 4 days, I had a very good and rewarding time working with youth from all across the world, helping them to develop their advocacy skills as well as their frameworks on how to continue doing the great work that they're doing even better.
I have met a lot of youth leaders from across the globe, and I'm learning a lot from them, from their experiences.
One of my key takeaways from this workshop is the fact that acknowledge the causes, the root causes of our emotions, and understand how to address those emotions going forward.
It has been very insightful, inspiring and humbling 4 days of experience sharing with the young leaders. They are really passionate and driven for the cause, and I'm really happy that APCEIU and MGIEP could provide them a platform where they could share knowledge, and also we could bring together the like-minded people for the common cause.
I believe this workshop gave the youth a mirror and a compass to review their leadership, their purpose in life, and also gave them the tools and competencies to step back on the balcony, to look at their actions and to build inner sanctuaries for themselves where they could honor their emotions rather than deny them.